Welcome to a new tech solutions video. Today I will teach you how to change Outlook profile picture on phone. So if you want to learn how to do this, stay until the end of the video where I will show you how. The first thing we have to do is to enter our Outlook email. It can be through the browser or through the application. After that, we will press on the profile picture that will appear on the top right of our screen. And then we will press on our bigger profile picture. We'll wait a moment, and now if we go down we can see the option change photo. If we press it, now we can choose our new photo from our gallery. Once we choose it, we'll only have to press the save button, and that will be it. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If so, subscribe and give us a like. I will see you in a next tech solutions video.